Okay, so we're going to introduce the garden today. We got these seeds. This English paper, no Thai language. We ordered it from Lazada. And we got a bag that's that big. That's supposed to be 8,000 carrot seeds.
Yeah.
I don't know how true that is, but we'll open it in a bit and have
We
a
just
look.
assume it's 8,000 because we can't count it.
Yeah, so this is tiny.
Yeah.
Let's do it by weight.
Let's go outside.
Okay.
And check my mini garden.
Okay, so this is Shim's little garden. We've got, look at how fast she grew this. This is 1 week. You see how fast she grew this
1 minute, a lot.
calamansi plant a week later. We bought that one for about 400 baht. It was already, it looked pretty much like that. In this pot, we tried to plant some lettuce that we bought from the market because it came with roots. So we stuck it in there, but I think it looks like it's dying. I don't think it's going to grow anywhere.
Failure experiment.
Yeah. Here we've got nothing planted so far, but this is the start. These are what, 5 days old, you said?
Yeah, it's 5 days old.
These are 5 days old. Look at these little guys. They're already going. What is that?
It's a sweet basil.
Okay, sweet basil. And so, and the other half is what?
That's chilies. Oh,
Do we see any chilies in there? I don't see
yeah,
any.
it's growing.
Point a finger for me.
Here.
Okay, there. Cool. Okay.
And that.
Is this the same age? 5 days or so?
Yeah, it's 5 days lettuce.
Okay, so lettuce, good.
And tomato.
Is that in there or not?
Yeah, look at that. Start growing also. That one and this. See that?
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What's going to go in the big pot?
This part, this is where the carrot goes.
Oh, the 8,000 carrot seeds or just some?
Just can't grow all the 8,000 carrots here.
This is a lot of carrots.
It's magic.
There's a bee here.
Yeah.
He's made a home in our place.
Ah, this is it. It's the carrot seeds.
You think there's 8,000 in there? They're tiny little seeds, eh?
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay. Oh, let me see the back again.
There it is.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there. Okay, cool. All right, so the plan is what? To plant them in the middle, right?
Yeah, here.
Because what happens? We got to do something after. What are we doing after?
When you start growing, it says like when you see 3 or 5 leaves in it, you're going to replant it. Scattered, just scattered.
Okay.
Okay. You have to cultivate the soil.
Okay. Now we've got some special fertilizer too, right? Are we going to use that today or
This
not?
one, yeah, I'll use it. I'll just put it on top.
Okay.
Just cut it. Yeah.
Here's our little flower pot.
What do you call this?
I don't know. A hoe, maybe?
Kalaikai.
Okay.
Kalaikai. It's kalaikai.
A mini pitchfork.
Okay. Use this first.
So you're gonna open that one first?
Yeah. It's a special fertilizer, I guess. It's 60 baht. Together with the lettuce.
Lettuce, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. Maybe it's a bunch of lettuce seeds in there. Wouldn't that be funny?
Then we will grow together, lettuce and carrots.
Good, we're making salad in a bowl. That's big fun.
Just sit here. Just grow some. And I'll put it all.
Oh, extra fertilized action. So there's my place. We've got the MRTs over there. This is just along the street. Our condo complex has a wall around it. I don't know to keep out what, I'm not sure, but We got lots of pigeon friends. And they poo everywhere. Ooh, that's our view. She's gonna cut open some seeds now.
Yeah.
Oh, you can cut them open already?
Yeah.
The idea is to plant them in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you start seeing sprouts, we move them out to the outside of the pot, yeah?
Mm-hmm. I will not count it, I will just...
Yeah, right. Just scatter some. They're tiny.
Mm-hmm. Maybe it's enough.
Oh, you can put a bit more in there, probably. Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, and then it's just...
Cover them over.
Yeah, just... like that.
So we're going to get an update of the garden. We did the last update in May. I think this is like June the 30th, so this might be 6 weeks later. And yeah, there it is. Lots of stuff growing. What do we got here, Shem? What's this stuff?
This one is sweet basil. It's the
Sweet
sweet
basil. Okay. All right.
with the water.
Yeah, we got some new planters for the top shelf. We thought we could maximize our sun for them.
This one or the red bell pepper.
Okay.
And what's this? I forgot.
Oh, like the green onion?
Yeah, green.
Yeah, we just planted the bulbs of those last week and they're already sprouting a bit, which
Yeah,
is cool.
and this stuff we have chilies.
Chilies, okay. That's cool.
And another sweet basil.
Oh. Okay, we've got our bird friends nearby, as always.
And another red bell pepper.
Okay. Our calamansi tree, if you guys remember that. It used to be a lot more bushy, but it's adapting to its environment. It seems to be flowering a little bit. But we haven't had much fruit lately on it. I think we need plants to flower this stuff before we get some, insects to pollinate these
They're
things.
new fruits, they're small.
We got new fruit?
Yeah, it's still small. See this one?
Okay.
Here. There's more.
Okay,
A
that's
lot
good.
more.
How many more you think?
Like less than 20.
Oh, still, that's better than zero.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay. Well, then I'm wrong. There's a flower there.
Yeah, there's more here. And our amazing
What is
carrot.
Carrots that never grow. We bought a bag of 8,000 seeds, if you remember. And we put them in there. We've got, what, 4 in there?
6.
6 little carrots out of like maybe 200 seeds.
Yeah.
What's this stuff again?
Alugbate.
Okay.
Kind of spinach.
Okay.
Oh, it's sprouting.
Oh, so we put it in the
Just like-
bulb again, and then it starts to sprout off
It's
the
like
end.
less than a week, I guess.
Okay.
And
And
then
then, look at that lettuce. This is great. It's pretty. So that's us, growing
And
food.
tomato.
Oh, there's more. Tomato, right. The tomato plant's almost as tall as the calamansi now.
yeah, look at that. Flowering.
Oh yeah, there's some flowers on it. So hopefully some insects come by and pollinate these guys, and we'll have some food soon.
Salad.
Some salad.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for the tour, Shem.